That's something you don't see very often. An open house in the exclusive Edgewater bungalow neighborhood located adjacent to Lake Sumter Landing. Let's go over there and take a look. This is a very exclusive courtyard villa type neighborhood. These are concrete block wall homes. They're courtyard villas. And back in the day, they called the courtyard villas that were made with concrete blocks bungalows, because most of the courtyard villas were made of wood frame. And you can see a lot of these homes have 2-car garages. So not only does the location make them exclusive, but the style and the type and design of these homes. And right there it is. It's a price reduction. Hang on, I'll go around. I want to give you a good idea what this neighborhood is. You can walk to Lake Sumter Landing from here. It is located next to the waterfront hotel at Lake Sumter. And the home for sale is on the left where these two vehicles are parked. Right there. This home has a 1.5-car garage. It is offered by Worth Clark Realty. Let's take a closer look. It's offered by Worth Clark Realty, and that is even more rare to find. Is one of these exclusive bungalow homes located very near Lake Sumter. Has a price that has been reduced. These homes historically in the past sold very quickly. And you can see the waterfront hotel off in the distance. And this goes to what I've been saying on my videos about the Eastport Town Square, where if you buy a home near the town square, there's a good chance that it's going to hold its value. Let's continue the journey. And those neighborhoods I've been talking about near Eastport, like LaGrange, the village of LaGrange in Water's Edge, especially those neighborhoods that you can walk to the town square, they're really going to hold their value. And I'm not sure what it is, but villagers absolutely adore the idea of living within a very short golf cart ride of a town square or walking distance. And this neighborhood is exactly that. These homes would typically sell for $775,000 and higher. And they would sell shortly after they were listed, or they would sell before they were listed. Let's continue the journey. Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Tim. Today we have an open home tour video. We have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom courtyard bungalow villa located here at the Edgewater Bungalows, located adjacent to Lake Sumter Landing. Let's go inside and take a look. This is a block and stucco home. It has a 1.5-car garage. The back of the home does face south, and the lanai is facing south. The front of the home does face north. I will pan the street. That is panning east. And you do see the waterfront hotel. That is Lake Sumter Landing. This is panning west. Let's go inside and take a look at this beautiful home. Lots of upgrades to this home. Concrete work is in good condition. 1.5 car garage. And if you're interested in this home, please see Linsey Hoeft at Worth Clark Realty right there. This home is in immaculate condition. I just wanted to show you a few of the upgrades they have. You do have new architectural shingled roof. You have a new HVAC system and hot water heater. You have new interior and exterior paint. You have a refinished lanai floor. You have tilt-in windows for easy cleaning. And these updates all occurred in the year 2025. And you have a new garbage disposal. And if you notice, you do have the maintenance-free landscaping on this home as well. You even have a beautiful flower there. Let's go inside of this awesome bungalow, what I would call a rare find kind of home.
Hi, I'm Linsey from Worth Clark Realty. Welcome to my bungalow, 1204 Flamingo Place, The Villages. We're about 500 feet from the Sumter Landing, where all the music is. Come and take a peek around. The price is $519. See what you think.
Thank you, Linsey. I'll take the YouTube audience through the home. We'll describe the finishes. And if we have any questions, we'll ask you at the end of the video. But this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom bungalow home. List price $519,900 in the exclusive neighborhood of Edgewater Bungalows. And I did show them that we're right next to the waterfront hotel. And the first thing I notice in the foyer area and throughout most of the home is this laminate wood flooring. It does have very high ceilings. I would estimate those to be 12 feet or so. You do have crown molding, and we'll take a look at that later. Off to the right from the foyer area, you do have a guest bedroom, and it is a bedroom because it has bifold doors on the closet area. You see that very similar wood plank flooring, laminate flooring. You have knockdown textured ceilings, so you don't have to worry about the acoustic textured ceilings. This is a turnkey home. What you see is what you get. Fresh paint inside. You do have a laundry space. It does have tile floors in that laundry area. It does have a sink in there as well. Let's go into the garage. It does have painted floor. Concrete work looks in excellent condition. That water heater was replaced in the year 2025. It is a 1.5 car garage. You have 2 windows in it. Again, this is a block and stucco home. There is the HVAC system. That's also 2025. Everything is in great condition. I would consider this home mint condition. Knockdown texture on the ceiling in here as well. Let's go into the kitchen space where they have beautiful quartz countertops. I do like the white quartz with the white cabinets in this home. And I will take a video of the spec sheet and the floor plan so you have a better idea. $519,900. Please contact Linsey at Worth Clark Realty. It is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom turnkey bungalow home. 2025 new roof and shingles on it as well. This is the recent upgrade list, and that is Linsey's phone number. Please contact Linsey. I'll also leave it in the description of the video. We also have a floor layout of this home. There is the back of the home. The lanai is facing south. You have the master bedroom in the back of the home. Living and dining off to the side. This is a gorgeous home. The video does not do it justice. I like that white quartz countertop with the white cabinet. It does have an electric stove as well. White, what I would consider a subway tile type backsplash. You have a large single bowl stainless sink. No need to buy a new home when this home is in as good a condition. It is turnkey. It is a courtyard villa, which historically they have a patio off to the side of the home. It has extra wide concrete work on this home, very high ceilings. You have ceiling fans. Off to the left, you do have a guest bathroom. It has quartz countertops, tile floors. You do have a tile tub surround as well. Recessed lights. You have brushed stainless fixture, the faucet. This home shows really well. And then you have your primary bedroom. Again, you have the wood laminate floors continuing. Very high ceilings with a ceiling fan. Knockdown texture on the ceiling. You have an orange peel texture on the walls of this home. I will go and stand in the corner. You have blinds on the windows as well. Bifold doors on the closet. And just to give you perspective, friends, I believe that is a queen size bed. There is a closer look at the closet space. Very high ceilings. You do have a sliding pocket door that you can close off for privacy in that bedroom area as well. Very large crown molding in this home. I know a lot of my subscribers like the crown molding. So do I, by the way. And all the furniture goes with the home. It is a turnkey home. That is facing south. It is a screened-in lanai. And according to the spec sheet, that floor in this lanai has been recently updated. You can see this home has been recently painted. We will go to the outdoor patio area right after we visit the primary bedroom. You can see the wood laminate floors are continuing. You have a tray ceiling and a ceiling fan in this home. That appears to be a queen size bed as well in the primary bedroom. Very large windows. It is a courtyard villa. You will have the back of the home will have privacy walls in it. You do have a view of that lanai space. You do have a primary suite as well, bathroom suite. Tile floors, again, that same tile. This is the walk-in closet off that primary bedroom. Very high ceilings. They have to be at least 12 feet tall. Contact your favorite real estate agent for more questions if you have any questions about this home. That is the primary bathroom. Again, you have white cabinets. You have a quartz countertop. You have brushed stainless fixture, commode, and you have a large shower. Let's take a look at the shower. It is white tile in that shower space. Next, we will go to the outside. We will take a look at the lanai area. And we will continue the journey. I do like the tray ceiling in here. Let's go into the lanai from the master or primary bedroom. Ceiling fan. Very comfortable living area. And this is the privacy walls in the backyard. Very typical courtyard villa. This home has maintenance-free. You have palm trees in the backyard. And you will see an extra wide side patio that appears to me to be 8 feet wide. Again, contact your real estate agent for exact specs and dimensions of the home. Again, that is your aircon unit. And that was replaced in the year 2025. So all your mechanicals essentially have been updated in this home, as well as the roof. So you really don't have to add much more to this home. Move right on in. I'll take a walk back out to the street. I'll give you my final thoughts on the home. Again, knockdown texture on these very high ceilings. I do like the color scheme, nice and neutral. You don't have to worry about covering up a paint color that you really don't like, and you do have the crown molding throughout. You even have crown molding on top of the cabinets as well. Very beautiful home. Let's take a walk back out to the street. I'll give you one final thought. Very awesome concrete work in great condition. Again, if you're interested in this home, you will need to contact Linsey at Worth Clark Realty, and you will not regret living in this neighborhood. This is one of the most highly desirable and sought after neighborhoods around the Lake Sumter Landing and in the Villages, Florida. That's your video for today. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. Feel free to share this video with anyone who feels interested in the content. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, courtyard bungalow for $519,900. What are you waiting for?